Well, Wally here. Still here. Still here, still here, still here. Bit of maintenance on the saws, guys. I know it's a very busy workbench, but I just did the 435. Now, what I want to do, guys, I want to talk to you about the importance of maintaining your bars. I didn't do it. Now I need a new bar. It's okay, I have a new one here, but guys, stay tuned. So, been having issues with the Frankensaw. Now, in fairness, when I look back and I think about it, I've been having issues with this bar and chain, this bar since I got it. Okay, so I remember getting it, and it was cutting off to the side straight out of the packet with a brand new chain, and I couldn't figure it out. So I don't know whether it was a dodgy bar. Now, I hear people complain about Rototech and stuff. Guys, tell you the truth, I've had no issues with them at all. They've been sound. Okay, so I did not maintain my bar, guys, and I want to show you. And you see that? Okay, now when I flip it over, the top side is thinner than the bottom side, and when I actually look at it, the thin side is lower. Okay, and that's probably the same on both sides. And so when I was look at the chips out of it, guys, and that's not paint flaking off, guys, that is chips out of my bar, and that is because I did not maintain my bar. Okay, that is my fault. I don't know why. I normally do. I don't know why I'm cleaning this, because I'm just going to hang it up. Goodbye, bar. Now, because of my laziness and stupidity, now I need a new 20-inch bar. Whoa, which means that the next couple of videos I'm going to be running the 24-inch bar. Now, guys, I can hear all you big saw guys out there going, yes, 24-inch bar, and I can hear some of you guys going, no, Wally, don't put the 24-inch bar on the Frankensaw, it'll eat it. Now, I do have a place where I hang all my chains up that are the same. This is C2. Maybe they're all out actually. Maybe they're all in the yoke. The Frankensaw is a clean saw. It keeps itself nice and clean, like compared to the other one. Maybe it's just because I don't cut as much pine with it, and that I just keep it for the big stuff, you know. Yes, I know, a compressor, Wally, a compressor. Check your oil holes. Oil hole. Give that groove a bit of a scrape. I like scraping back. Now I wish there was a company out there that made consumables and they would just go, hey Wally, we love your channel, here's like a brand new bar and a couple of chains, run them and test them for us and let us know how you feel. That would be absolutely fantastic. I am an air compressor. Bruno is loud. He barks loud. Bruno! He likes to play Uno. I remember the first time I took this off. The very first time when I just got this saw and I couldn't put it back on, and I was like, oh no, I took it off with the chain brake on. What did I do that for? What do you dope you? But no, there's a little rubber flap on the back of these clutch covers that actually direct the sawdust away. They don't have them on other saws, so I'd never seen one before. And you have to sort of tuck it in underneath to get it going properly. So that was the problemo there. So it's a heavy bar, boy. So hopefully get the Frankensaw out for a wee spin today. I only ever hand tighten, guys. Well, I don't have any machinery to machine tighten, you know. I have a spare chain for this in my box. In my box. So this is my box. Ugh. Sorry, I'm sore today. Sore back. That's my box. 2-stroke oil. This is fully synthetic. This is just normal 2-stroke mix in this. That's just pure petrol, gas, a couple of chains in the bottom, wedges, a few things like that. Anywho, guys, that'll do for this one as well. I'm going to lock up the shed and go get some stuff. I have to go for an appointment, and then I'll go down and I think I want to go to Red Branch and finish off that beach. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Stay frosty. Coffee time.